Hi guys, it's Diamond, and today I'm so happy here to want to show you guys the new letters just arrived to my shop today, and the letters are super gorgeous. You can see, and I first tried to make it in a B6 regular cover, and because the members in my shop and if you if you have the if you achieve the first class and you will have 4 times free shipping and one birthday gift. So here is a gift I tried in the new letters today. Yes, it's store rush today. Yes, and I make this gift to the first class member, and she is feeling 10, and this is the gift for her, and with the new design in the V6 cover. Okay, so let's see. This is the new vintage 10 letters. Yes, and with the Bloody Mary. This is I asked the factory help me to make this kind of letters because the factory has the fire estate before, and I just take the letters I have in the samples to ask the other one factory to help me to produce the letters, and I'm so happy they just really make it. I already make these letters about 2 months ago, and today I just got it. I'm so excited. Yes, and the quality is just the same as well. Yes, they didn't make any bad, or they just make this with very perfect textures and the colors. Yes, you can see. And let's go inside. Yes, you can see I especially to cut these covers in 3 different colors. There are Bloody Mary and the vintage 10 and the glossy brownie. Yes, and I make them all in different colors and in different shapes. Just want to make them feel a little not so symmetry, or just want to make them a little different feel of the cup of the packet. Yes, you can see. So these letters are very shiny leather. Yeah, and you can see it's just very shiny. Yes, and I especially to add on this thread in the cover to be the closure. Yes, like this. Yes, I'm so excited. So this is the new letters, and also in the new concept of the pocket inside. Yes, the grab and go cover with an e-pocket. Yes, it's an e-pocket here, and also combined with three different colors of letters here. Yes. So I'm so excited, and wish feeling if you see this video. Yes, I wish you will love it. Yes. Okay, so now let's to see the letters in the whole piece, just like what you can see. It's the vintage. It's the vintage. And when we bend it, it will just change the colors too. Like this. Yes, it's really beautiful letters. Now I have to tell you guys, because this was produced by different factories, so the price will just a little higher than the regular letters in my shop. Yes. So if you guys like it, and you can go get the orders in the new letters here, and I already we already added the options in my shop too, so you can see the letters now in my shop. And let's see the second one, the brownie, the glossy brownie. Yes. Okay. They are all very shiny. Yes. And it's super oily inside, and also they are very soft leather. Yes. Okay, so let's see the third piece of the Brownie Mary. I'm so happy I find this factory, and their technique just amazing. Yes, their technique just amazing. You see, I especially love this part. Yes, I especially love this part, and also you can see super textures here. Very beautiful. Yes. So this is the new letters just arrived today, and just by this Black Friday, and I'm so happy I got the new beautiful letters back to my shop just in time. Yes, that's really amazing to me. And wish you guys will love this new letters too. Okay, so if you guys love it, just buy this special sale in the Black Friday. You have the 50% off and the free shipping during the event. Okay, wish you guys will love the video today. See you guys soon. Bye bye.